Welcome back to Project Nippon X. Today we are exploring Japan's crazy technology that looks 50 years ahead and discovering the futuristic inventions that are changing the way we think about mobile technology, artificial intelligence, and everyday life. Japan has always been known for precision engineering and innovation, but its latest technology feels like it has arrived from the future. Starting with the exterior design, Japanese futuristic devices showcase incredible attention to detail, advanced materials, and unique designs that combine beauty with functionality. From ultra-thin smartphones and smart displays to AI-powered gadgets, Japan focuses on creating products that look modern while remaining practical. Premium glass, lightweight materials, seamless designs, and compact engineering create devices that feel years ahead of traditional technology. Compared with many USA technology products that focus on powerful ecosystems and software experiences, Japan often emphasizes hardware perfection and engineering quality. Inside these futuristic devices, advanced technology works together to deliver intelligent performance. Japanese engineers are developing powerful AI processors, advanced camera systems, high-quality sensors, and smart components that allow devices to understand users and adapt to different situations. The internal architecture focuses on efficiency, speed, and reliability, creating a smooth experience for everyday tasks, entertainment, communication, and professional use. When it comes to performance, Japan's next-generation technology delivers impressive results. Future smartphones and smart devices feature faster processing, AI-powered features, improved battery management, advanced connectivity, and enhanced security systems. These technologies allow devices to perform complex tasks, including real-time translation, intelligent photography, voice assistance, and automated functions. While the USA continues to lead in software development and global technology platforms, Japan remains a powerful force in hardware innovation and electronic engineering. The pricing of these advanced technologies depends on the level of innovation and features included. Premium Japanese smartphones and AI-powered devices can range from $800 to over $2,000, especially when they include cutting-edge components and exclusive technology. More affordable versions are expected to become available as production grows and advanced features become more common. Japan's technology journey is not only about creating futuristic gadgets, it is about building a smarter world. From intelligent smartphones to advanced robotics and AI systems, Japan continues to push boundaries and inspire the global technology industry. The future of mobile technology is arriving faster than ever, and Japan is playing a major role in shaping what comes next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Project Nippon X for more incredible technology discoveries, future gadgets, and innovations from around the world.